Compression leg massager for comprehensive pressotherapy and lymphatic drainage with an additional heating function. The massager features 5 massage modes targeting different areas. The heating function enhances the effectiveness of the massage and improves blood circulation. The benefits of using the massager are immense. Stimulates fluid movement in the body, normalizes venous blood and lymphatic flow, improves blood circulation in the veins by restoring venous function, speeds up blood flow, reduces heaviness and fatigue in the legs, prevents varicose veins and the formation of spider veins, relieves muscle tension, strengthens the immune system, and improves the condition of internal organs. This compression lymphatic drainage massager for legs is an essential assistant for people with a sedentary lifestyle.